In this specific video, we're going to be talking about creating quick and easy squeeze pages on your site. If you don't already know, squeeze pages are basically pages that describe your product or describe some sort of gift or freebie, and somebody has the ability to fill in their name and their email address to get what you're offering. So squeeze pages are great in terms of building your list. And I'm going to show you how to create a squeeze page from scratch. In order to do this, you need the following: a title or the headline of your squeeze page, the benefits of your product or service or whatever you're giving away for free, your description of your product, service, or whatever you're giving away for free, and an autoresponder web form that needs to be at the bottom or on the side. And this basically needs to link to your thank you page. So with that said, let me show you how to create it. Okay, so what you need to do now is go to your WordPress dashboard, as you can see here. And we're going to create a new page. Click on Add New. And under templates, you can change the template from the default template to the front page template or a full width page template. Now, if you think about it, with a squeeze page, if you want to put your opt-in form right in the middle at the bottom, you probably want to choose full width page template with no sidebar. However, if you want to put the opt-in form on the sidebar, then you'll want to choose the default template. In this example, I'm going to be using the sidebar. And what we're going to do here is enter the title. You want to put a title, a headline that captures somebody's interest. You want to have the description. You want to have the benefits in bullet points. So if we click on visual, we can make bullet points. And right below that or above that, you can put an image. So click on Add Media. I'm going to locate some files here. Let's say, for example, that my squeeze page is about time management. So I'm going to use this guy with this clock on it. I'm going to go ahead and insert into page. Now the image is quite large and I want to decrease the size of it. So let's say 70%. We're going to center align that and update. Now it's still kind of big, but I'm going to increase the size of the font here. And what we can do here is we could center align this. We'll highlight this and change it to dark red. You'll have your description here that talks about your product. You have your benefits here, and then we have an image. Now, if we click on Publish, we can edit the opt-in code. So you're going to need to get your web form, and basically your web form is going to appear on the sidebar. And when somebody fills out the information, you need to direct them to another page. So you will need to create another page that includes whatever you're offering them, whether it's a free report or anything like that. So if we go here, and you can go through Aweber, you can go through GetResponse or anything like that, create a plain text message, and then create a web form. You can create a new web form here, and the good thing about Aweber is you can actually see for yourself what it looks like. So depending on what your site looks like, you can change the color. So let's say, for example, that I'm going to leave it like this. I'm going to go to step number 2. And I'm going to fill these details in, click on go to step number 3, and get the raw HTML version. We're going to highlight this and we're going to copy this. And now what I want to do is go to the sidebar widget. Now, if I view this page, I want the sidebar web code form to appear right here. To do that, all I need to do is go to Appearance, Widgets, and simply drag and drop the text widget here. Copy the code over, click Save, and we'll refresh the page. And there you go. There's our squeeze page. Now, this was the manual way of creating squeeze pages. If you want to create really fancy squeeze pages, there is a piece of software called Squeeze Ninja, which is really good. It makes really awesome squeeze pages. And not only that, it allows you to track your statistics and more. So that's one site that I recommend you check out if you don't want to do it manually. But if you want to do it manually, this is the process of doing it.